Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to calculate the standard error in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to calculate the standard error of the data set here from A2 to A19 in cell D1. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So first of all, what is the standard error of a data set? Well, the standard error right here, I've written the equation for you, is the standard deviation of the data set divided by the square root of how many points you have in that data set. So if I go over here to cell D1 and I type equals STDEV, I'm going to see a whole bunch of different standard deviations. And I'm going to pick this one with the .s after it. And I'm going to double click that. And then I'm going to be prompted for where is my data where I want my standard deviation. So I'm just going to click on A2, hold down my left mouse button, and drag all the way down to A19. And then close those parentheses. So that's going to give me the top part of my equation right here, the standard deviation. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Next, I'm going to type the divided by sign, and then I'm going to use the square root function, and that is SQRT with a left parenthesis. And what is the number that I want the square root of? Well, this is going to be the count function with a left parenthesis, because we're doing the count of the data points. And again, I'm going to count from A2, hold my left mouse button down, and drag all the way down to A19. And then I'm going to close my parentheses for the count function. And then I'm going to close the parentheses for the square root function. And then I'm going to hit enter. And I can see that my standard error is 272.16. Now we go into more on standard error out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.